This is my laptop. It's a 2019 MacBook Pro. And when Apple announced the Neo, I said, interesting. So this computer has gone through a little over 6 years of pretty constant use. I use my laptop all the time. However, it's time to say goodbye to it. You want a couple of reasons?
It's okay. It's okay, little dude.
My touch bar doesn't work. It has been glitching out for years. There you go. I'm controlling the sound and I can't see literally anything on the touch bar. Recently, it's not doing it too much today, but my space bar was getting jammed. Also, as I said, it's from 2019 and it's the 13-inch, so it's running an Intel processor and I can't update the operating system anymore, so it's stuck on Sequoia. The other thing about this laptop that has driven me up the wall since I received it as a gift, which was very kind from my mother. But she got like the lowest base model that you can get, which only comes with about 121 gigabytes of storage. If you know literally anything about making videos, that is not enough. I spent the morning going through all of my files and like deleting anything I didn't need. This is like the lowest amount of stuff that has been on my laptop in literal years. I have 45 whole gigs of usable storage, but there have been times where I had like 15 gigs of storage to play around with, which wasn't really ideal. The primary reasons I use my laptop are for very simple tasks, primarily surfing the internet. I also occasionally edit simple videos using iMovie on this laptop, and then the only video games I have ever played on this laptop are Webkins and Roblox, which are both very, very easy to run. So really, I was looking for a budget laptop to use for simple everyday tasks. And if I could use iMovie on it, fantastic. So all in all, the MacBook Neo seems like a great option. And here it is. I'm gonna put this one to the side right now. Here is my new laptop, my MacBook Neo, and over the course of the next month-ish, I'm going to share with you my experiences with it. I got it in the blush pink color, obviously, and I opted to get the upgraded 512 gig storage, and also this model comes with Touch ID, which I use all the time. I hardly ever put in my password for anything. So let's open it up and turn it on, see what's happening here. I've heard that it's not very pink. Pretty. It's not very pink, it's very light pink. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to turn it upside down, I think. Oh, there we go. I don't think this is how you're supposed to open it up. Oh gosh. It has paper all over it. I don't open enough Apple products to tell you if that's normal or not. Here is the power cord it comes with. I think I can use my old power cord as well because they both use USB-C to charge. And then what is this? This Apple sticker probably. Haha, no Apple sticker in here. It just has very basic instructions. Considering I have been an Apple girly basically my whole life, I think I'm probably okay figuring this out. This is very pretty. I don't know if this is going to come up on camera, but you see it says hello and it's all shiny. I think that's very nice. It feels so delicate. But I'm also used to my laptop with that big hunky plastic case on it, so I gotta be real, it's just very pretty. It's a very, very light, subtle pink. It also has a piece of paper here. Oh, and it's booting up for the first time. I have no idea how charged it will be, so I might have to plug it in very shortly. Hello. Hello indeed. Hello. Oh, it oh gosh. That was...
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh, okay, well, you know what, girl, I think we can just click English. I'm used to the tap to click, so... Okay, yes, so this is prompting me to transfer your data to this Mac. I'm going to do that. from a Mac Time Machine or startup disk. I did bring my external drive down for my Time Machine, though I think there is some way to like bring them close together, which I've done that with phones before too. Accessibility, I don't need any accessibility. All right, my Wi-Fi network. I don't know how much of this you guys can see anyway, but it says transfer your data to this Mac, select a Mac, Time Machine backup, or other startup disk. Let's figure this one out. So they're right next to each other. And I guess I can't find this laptop. So as you can see, it's just spinning. It just says looking for other sources. I can't find anything. Okay, well, let's plug this in and see if this works. This might be a problem if I can't transfer my data. There we go. So my passport, which is just what my external drive is called, popped up. This isn't going as smoothly as I thought it should. Okay, let's open my passport, continue. And my MacBook Pro backup from today that I did this morning. Continue with that. Well, I like that all the highlights are automatically pink. That's fun. And the folder icons are automatically pink. It's just really confusing to me that it seems not to be finding the gigabytes of data that should be transferring over. A little concerning. Okay, it seems to be finding stuff now. The transfer has started. I imagine this is going to take quite a long amount of time. Yeah, it looks like it's going to take about an hour. All right, the transfer is complete, and now I'm gonna restart the computer. All right, so that took much less than an hour, but the migration process is complete. Yay! Welcome to Tahoe 26, introducing liquid glass. My phone, I don't even use liquid glass on because I don't really love the way it looks. I'm also kind of sick of this background. I kind of want to change it. You can tint it all different colors. I'm gonna put it on default though. Folder color, hardware. Yay, pink. So I see nothing different about the display. It looks pretty, it looks nice. As I said before, the touchpad feels a little bit different, but I'm used to the taptic touchpad on the MacBook that I've been using. Keys do feel a tiny bit different, maybe? I don't even know. I can't even tell on the keys, to be honest. I will say I am going to miss the backlit keyboard. I always think that's a very, very nice feature on Macs, so I'm a little bit sad about losing that. I have the Catalina wallpaper right now. That's pretty. That's nice. It's very pink. I like that. Well, there we have it. I set up my computer. Very pretty, beautiful. So yeah, I'll pop in over the next month-ish to tell you any updates I have, and I'll give you a more well-rounded review of this new laptop. Clearly I'm getting ready for bed, but today I was using Numbers, which is like Apple's Excel, and it was working perfectly. Probably to be expected, but good to know. I wanted to show some of the slightly more difficult tasks I did on my computer over the month, so here I am in iMovie. I haven't edited anything too long or complicated on the laptop, but I did edit my recent short form video where I tried Percy Pigs for the first time. Luckily, iMovie ran perfectly and I had no trouble at all using it. Now, here I am playing some Webkinz. I have the Webkinz application, so keep in mind that I'm not playing it on a browser and that experience might be different. Webkinz is a very easy to run game, but I just wanted to show that, again, I had no issues. Finally, I opened up Roblox for the first time in a very long while. I picked some random open world game, and once again, I just wanted to show that I had no issues with lag or running the program generally. So, it has been a month with my new laptop. It's been more than a month, actually. And to be honest, this laptop does rock. For simple, everyday uses, it is perfect. The only time this past month that I had any sort of lagging issue was the one night I was watching a YouTube stream and also trying to scroll on Pinterest, I think it was. And there were a couple of moments where the computer wasn't super happy, but I think it's a little bit expected for your computer to lag a little bit if you're trying to stream something and do something else. I don't know, at least I think that's like pretty normal. It's actually probably a good thing that it's been more than a month because Apple recently announced that the price of the Neo is going up. It actually has already gone up, so it's going to be $100 more for the base and the slightly higher end one. It's still definitely a budget laptop price, but you know, it's definitely a thing you should consider because when I purchased it, my computer was $100 less. Well, I think that about wraps it up. I know I never usually do videos like this, but I thought, what the heck, maybe it would help someone. I'm also sorry that I went on a bit of a unintentional hiatus. It's been a couple of months since I've uploaded a long form video, and my short form videos, of course, have been very few and far between. But I am really hoping to get back into the swing of things. I have been working a lot more, so I just have to budget my time better. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and/or a comment. And if you would like to see more of my stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Bye!